guys, this is Crafty Cat. Happy Canada Day! So, this is something a little bit different. I do some art on Procreate. I just started learning last year and I really wanted to do something for Canada Day because I'm Canadian and July 1st is Canada Day for those of us in Canada. So, to my Canadian friends, Happy Canada Day! So, I saw this cute tutorial, very short tutorial by Hui Art Studio, and I decided to try to follow along, but I had to change it up because she had some brushes that I don't have. So I just used the brushes that I have. So this video is super condensed, 1 minute and 15 seconds sort of thing, but it really took me an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes to do this portion of the maple leaf. And then when I was done, I just collapsed it all into one image and then I copied it and then I brought it over into another page where I just did the red and the white background and the words to make the Canadian flag. So you can see here I'm trying to draw my deer. I wanted to do a moose, but I don't know how to draw moose yet. I have to learn. So I just started doing this last year. It will be a year in September. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, let me know what you think. All right, guys, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.